Hey y'all, hey, hope all is well with you. I am Leslie of LesAnn Creations, coming to you from my workroom. Woohoo! So I am here in my workroom yet again. Place I love to be, but can't always be. But I'm gonna try to be a little bit more in 2025. You know, that's really weird to say 2025. Wow. Anyway, so that's just around the corner. So what I am doing, have been working on. Oh, another project. Set of projects, ongoing projects, just busy. So anyway, I am here. I want to show off some things that I worked on. Now, I spoke about doing this, I don't know when. And when I spoke about doing it, I didn't know how they were going to turn out, how it's going to work. So I'm sure other people have probably don't think about doing this as much, but I myself have issues with purchasing underwear. Just, I'm laying it out there. I was going to talk around the corner and through the mulberry bush, but I'm not going to do it tonight. I'm going to keep it short and simple. So I want to show off how, or at least show you what I've actually made. These things can be made really quickly. You find a pattern that works for you. One way of finding a pattern is actually through your stash of your underwear in your drawer. Find those pair that styles that you love, that fit well, that you don't have issues with, and sacrifice them. Meaning you go ahead and cut it up. And maybe that pair you like, but maybe there's something about it that maybe annoys you just a little bit. Maybe it just rides a little too low. And you said, maybe if it had another half an inch, it'd be perfect for me. Or it's the leg area. It works, but maybe you don't have enough leg room. You can give it a little extra room. The things you can do to actually make it perfect for your body, because you got to think, they mass produce these underwear, assuming they know everybody's measurements. Not. But they make them for us to wear, and sometimes we just ain't happy. We just kind of wear them because it's a good thing to do. But then we was like, we can't stand it. So I decided to go ahead and do these as scrap busters, meaning using scraps of fabric that I already have and turn them into something cute, something that I need, and something I'll like. Some things I probably will modify about a couple of them, and it has to do with the fabric. So your fabric has to relate well to the style that you decide to use it for. I'm gonna speak about it as I go. So this is one pair. I've made this style several times. This one actually is only two. Wait a minute. No, this is the other style. It's a little bit different. This is a total of 3 panels here with a fold over elastic. Feels good, works great. That's out of a jersey knit. These pair. Ain't they cute? So I will tell you, for this one, I had to go ahead and insert this in before I actually cut the panties out, because of the fact that in order to get it in the place I wanted it, I had to do it that way. So I actually inserted the lace into the fabric, and then I cut the panty out. So this is only 2 pieces, roughly. It's actually a 2-panel, whatever. It covers the front and the back. Fold over elastic for that. This one is a mesh, a complete mesh, and then I used some cotton jersey or cotton knit for the crouch, whatever. This pair. I like, of course, and these are called high thigh or something. I really like these. I am going to have to modify this pattern when I do it again, because of the fact that, because this is a mesh and it has a lot more stretch in than a lot of the knits that you can use, the jersey knit or brush jersey knit, you have to accommodate for it. So I will probably shorten the top part of the underwear and nip it in a little bit on the sides due to the fact that it stretches so much. But that's one thing with that one. This one, oh, it's so cute. This is a nice pair. I love the contrast. Remnant pieces. Remnant pieces. Find something that feels good to your skin and you like, and work it. So I got the little red in the back, front, and the mesh in the back. Oh, so cute. So cute. So that's that one. Then we got, and a lot of these are basically casual. You know, you can get real fancy. I think the red ones are real fancy. You can get real fancy with it, okay? This is out of a mesh. That's where I also noticed that I need to make adjustments for this one as well, because you can tell that there's no elastic in the bottom of this particular style. So with this one, I will probably tailor in a little bit more so that the legs, it doesn't move so much. That's the one thing I did notice about this particular one. It moved. Then we got some nice little lacy with some inserts. Same exact style as this one. Looks different when you change the material. Okay, this is the last pair. I think I have a couple more pair. I just don't know where they are. I don't know how these will fit. I just decided to throw this on the edge, more so because of how this lace was. So this is a test run. This style is a test run. We'll see how it works and see if I like it. But these were scrap busters. If you want to do a quick project that you can use remnants from, once you figure out maybe the style, you can do a patch. You could do so many things just using your remnant fabrics. And I can't wait to wear these. Now, I will tell you, I've made underwear before. This is not the first time. This won't be the last time. I've made some and they wear better with my material. They look better and they feel better. Wear better, look better, feel better. That's what you want. You want to feel good when you put them on. You should not be uncomfortable. You shouldn't be unhappy. You can pick whatever fabric works for you. So, just wanted to show them. Make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't already, make sure you like, because I'm a likeable. If not, okay. Anyway, so make sure, go ahead, like, go ahead and tap them buttons. Tap, tap, tap. So I know you've been through here at least once, and show me some love. And I will catch you all later. Bye.